Most people don't realize how much time they waste dealing with PDFs, converting files, compressing documents, merging pages, signing forms. And the worst part? Many people still think they need expensive software for basic PDF tasks. You don't. Right now, there are free websites that can handle almost everything PDF related directly in your browser. Some of them are insanely powerful. Today, I'm breaking down the best free PDF tools that actually save time, reduce friction, and make digital work easier. And trust me, a few of these are going straight into your bookmarks. Let's start with one of the most underrated all-in-one tools online. Number 1. iLovePDF, the internet favorite. If you've searched for PDF tools before, you've probably seen iLovePDF. And honestly, there's a reason it's popular. The interface is excellent. Everything is organized clearly. Merge, split, compress, convert, repair, organize. It feels polished without being complicated. Perfect for students, freelancers, and office workflows. Quick tutorial. Open iLovePDF. Select your tool. Upload or drag files. Adjust pages/settings. Download the final PDF. One of the easiest PDF platforms online. Number 2. TinyWow, the unexpected powerhouse. TinyWow is one of those websites that quietly does everything. PDF tools, image tools, video tools, AI tools, file tools. For PDF specifically, you can merge PDFs, split files, convert, formats, compress, documents, edit pages. And most features work without login. That alone makes it stand out. The interface is clean, fast, and beginner-friendly. Quick tutorial. Open TinyWow. Choose a PDF tool. Upload your file. Make your edits or conversion. Download instantly. Simple, fast, no software and sign-up needed. Number 3. PDF24 Tools, completely free and reliable. PDF24 feels different. It's not flashy, it's not trendy, but it works extremely well. This platform offers one of the largest collections of completely free PDF utilities online. You can merge PDF, split PDF, compress PDF, edit PDF, sign, convert documents, etc. And unlike many platforms, PDF24 is surprisingly generous without aggressive limits. Quick tutorial. Open PDF24 Tools. Select a PDF action. Upload your document. Adjust settings if needed. Save the processed file and download. Reliable tools never go out of style. Number 4. Smallpdf, premium feel without complexity. Smallpdf looks and feels premium. Minimal interface. Smooth workflow. Very beginner-friendly. This is the kind of tool you recommend to someone who hates complicated software. You can compress, convert, merge, edit, and sign PDFs, etc. Everything feels modern and clean. Quick tutorial. Visit Smallpdf website. Choose a PDF feature. Upload your document. Convert to Word, etc. Download your file. Very polished experience. Number 5. Sejda PDF, advanced editing made easy. Sejda is powerful, especially if you need deeper PDF editing features. You can compress, edit text inside PDFs, fill and sign forms, merge, delete pages, crop, etc. It bridges the gap between simple PDF tools and desktop software. Quick tutorial. Open Sejda PDF. Upload your document. Select editing tools. Apply changes. Export the final file. Advanced features without complexity overload. Check out the Sejda PDF tutorial I created a few months ago, located at the top right corner of this video. Number 6. PDF Candy. Clean and beginner-friendly. PDF Candy focuses on simplicity. The platform supports PDF conversions, OCR tools, merging, compression, unlocking PDFs. The workflow is smooth and easy to follow. Excellent for quick productivity tasks. Quick tutorial. Open PDF Candy. Select a PDF tool. Upload your file. Process the document. Download results instantly. Simple tools are often the most useful. Number 7. CloudConvert. File Conversion Beast. CloudConvert is not just for PDFs. It converts almost everything. Documents, images, video, audio, spreadsheets, slides, and it handles PDF conversions extremely well. This is a creator's utility knife. Quick tutorial. Open CloudConvert. Upload your file. Choose output format. Convert document. Download processed file. One of the most versatile tools online. Number 8. HiPDF. Modern PDF Toolkit. HiPDF combines clean design with powerful features. The platform supports PDF conversion, OCR scanning, compression, AI-powered tools. Very beginner-friendly. Very modern. Quick tutorial. Open HiPDF. Choose your PDF task. Upload document. Process file. Export final result. Good balance between simplicity and power. Number 9. Online 2 PDF. Ugly interface, crazy power. This website looks old, but don't underestimate it. Online 2 PDF is one of the most powerful free PDF processors online. You can compress aggressively, customize outputs deeply, protect PDF, etc. This is more of a power user tool. Quick tutorial. Open Online 2 PDF. Upload PDF file. Choose output settings. Click Convert. Download the processed PDFs. Not pretty. Extremely capable. Number 10. PDFescape is built around editing. You can edit PDF files, annotates PDF documents, fill out PDF forms, create basic PDF forms, password protect PDF files, etc. It's useful for quick edits without downloading software. Quick tutorial. Visit PDFescape site. Use free online. Upload your PDF. Use editing tools on the sidebar. Save changes. Download the edited file. Fast and practical. Most people don't need more software. They need better tools. And these websites prove that you can do serious work directly in your browser without spending money. Some are simple, some are powerful, but all of them remove friction from your workflow. Bookmark the ones that fit your needs. Use them, and let technology work for you instead of slowing you down. Subscribe to Natty Tech Insights for more smart tools, useful websites, and practical technology that actually improves your workflow. Comment below. Which PDF tool are you trying first? Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.